Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieve. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed. My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Savior has ransomed me. And like a flood, His mercy rained. Unending love, amazing grace. The Lord has promised good to me. His word my hope secures. He will my shield and portion be, as long as life endures. My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Savior has ransomed me. And like a flood, His mercy reigns. Unending love, amazing grace. My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Savior has ransomed me. And like a flood, His mercy reigns. Unending love, amazing grace. The earth shall soon dissolve like snow. The sun forbear to shine, but God who called me here below will be forever mine. You are forever mine. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of Amazing Grace, My Chains Are Gone by Chris Tomlin. If you saw me using some guitar chords in this cover that you didn't recognize, that's because those are advanced guitar chords. If you want to learn some of the advanced guitar chords that I just used in this cover, plus a few more, I've got a link down in the description below to a free PDF called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you some advanced guitar chords that you can start implementing into your guitar playing and level up your guitar playing. So if you're interested in that, check it out in the description below. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me today. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.